when I got here, you know, COVID is going around, so I had to spray what needs to be sprayed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keela K. So I am going to be showing you guys my surgery supplies. I'm getting surgery in Cali, Colombia. I'll reveal the doctor I went to in my video to come. But I'm going to be showing you guys all of the surgery supplies that I got, where I got them from, what you need, what you don't really have to get, and we'll take it from there. So to start off, what I got was my recovery home. They provided a lot of stuff, but they did give me a list of stuff that I need to bring. So I'm gonna show you guys some of that. Okay, so to start off, I'm at the recovery house, by the way, and I'm bored, so I'm putting my surgery supplies up. So I was like, let me just show you guys. So I got these poise pads. They said I was gonna need this. I paid about $18 at Walmart. It has like 56 pads in it, so you're gonna need a lot of poise pads for to cover your incisions. So I got that from Walmart, and I also got wipes, these Pampers wipes. So as you know, like for the first day or the first few days, you're not gonna be able to take a shower or anything like that. So I got some Pampers wipes so I can wipe up and stay clean. My recovery house did recommend for me to get this as well. You can find wipes anywhere, of course. Also, what I got is Tylenol. So I got Tylenol Extra Strength and Tylenol Extra Strength PM. You'll need both of these only because they don't recommend you taking like ibuprofen or any other type of medication because it is blood thinners. So they prefer you to take Tylenol. Now I'm gonna show you, and I got those from Amazon. What I also got from Amazon is the milk of magnesia. If I need help going to the bathroom, having any type of constipation, I got this as well. You can get that from Amazon or Walmart. Yes, so I got the hydrogen peroxide. I got 3 bottles of this, and then I got a bottle of alcohol. You never know if you're about to faint, pass out. You need this amount of alcohol to come back to life, so you gotta have some alcohol. I also got some Lysol spray, so this was very useful. When I got here, you know, COVID is going around, so I had to spray what needs to be sprayed. So I sprayed the door handles, the light switch, the bed, the sheet, the covers, anything I can think of that can get sprayed. Best believe I was spraying it. So I did that. And I got some elderberry immune support syrup, because you know after surgery you want to get all your vitamins back in your body and things like that. So I got some elderberry. I also got my iron pills. I sorted those out already. I'll show you guys later in the video, but I sorted out all my pills because you know I don't know how I'm gonna be feeling, so I want to have all my medication like lined out, all my vitamins lined out, so I can just pop them and go. I also got some vitamin E oil, and I didn't have to bring this, but you can. I got these from Dollar Tree. I got some vitamin E oil just to kind of keep my body moisturized, but the first few days I'm not gonna be able to use like any oil. No, actually my doctor provided oil for my massages because I'm gonna be getting lymphatic massages. I'm not looking forward to that. I heard it hurts, so I might try to vlog that, but we'll see. So I got some vitamin E oil. What else? I also got some hand sanitizer from Dollar Tree. This one has it moisturizes with vitamin E and aloe, and it has 70% alcohol, which is good in the real hand sanitizer. So I got a big bottle because I'm gonna be here for about 16 days total, so I needed a lot of hand sanitizer. Then I also got some Dial soap, some antibacterial soap. So I got about 2 packs, and 2 come in each pack. So I'm gonna be using that throughout my stay. I also got some A&D ointment from Dollar Tree. I doubt I would need this. I'm only just gonna put on what they recommend me to put on. I don't need no infections or anything like that. So I'm gonna make sure I probably won't be using this. Then I got some lymphatic drainage. I got this from Amazon. If you see this stuff taped up, I had them on my carry-on suitcase and I didn't want them spilling out, so I taped a lot of them up. But I got this lymphatic drainage. I heard that it's supposed to help you like drain all the fluids, you know, out your incision, and it really helps you get all that fluid out. So if you can, don't sleep on this product, and I'll also keep you updated on how it's going. And then of course I got some toothpaste and toothbrush. I got these from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree be having some good items. Like, one thing about it, I'm like, I'm not gonna spend a lot for something that I'm not gonna use all the time. Like, after I leave here, I'm probably gonna leave most of the supplies here, what I don't use, with the recovery home, because I'm sure they'll probably really appreciate it, or you know, somebody can probably use it. So I also got some cough drops, some hauls, because if I get out of surgery, I don't want my throat to be dry or anything like that. So I got these from Dollar Tree. Also I also got some heat wrap compression. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or need this, but I'll definitely make sure all my incisions are closed before I even think about putting this on my body. I also got an ice pack from Dollar Tree because they did tell me today at pre-op that if my incisions are itching or feeling weird, don't wipe it or rub it with any type of ointment. Just put some ice on it and it'll cool it down. Also got this from Dollar Tree, some Bactive disinfectant wipes. It says it kills coronavirus that causes COVID-19, so I got that. I also got like little napkins. Got this from Dollar Tree as well, to put in my purse just in case, you know, you just never know when you need a napkin. So I got that, and then I got this hand sanitizer spray to just throw in my purse if I just want to spray and go, because I'm not here to catch COVID in another country or even my own country. Let's just be honest. Okay, so I got a box of gloves. My recovery house did recommend me getting that, so I got this from Amazon. And I'm gonna try to make this video short as possible also, and just go really fast, because I just hate, like, personally, you know, videos that's showing you something and they just take so long to get to the point or to show all the products. So I'm doing the best I can. If you have any specific questions, go in the comments and I'll do my best to write you guys back. I also got some bed pads. You know, I'm be leaking or whatever, so I need this for when I'm leaking from my incision. So I got like 6 or 7 of them from Dollar Tree, so hopefully that's enough. And my doctor actually provided me with a lot of stuff. I probably didn't need to bring all of this, but I'm like, I'd rather have than not have. So that was that on that. What else? I also got these for the first few days. You know, I'm not gonna probably be up for taking a shower the first day or first few days, so I'm just gonna be able to wipe up. And this is a rinse-free bath sponge, so it's for bathing, shampooing. You just add water, and it's for the gym, baby care, elderly care, travel, or camping. So you get to lather, scrub, and towel dry. So I thought this was pretty cool, because if I feel like the wipes is not doing enough, I'm gonna use this, because I need to take me a shower, like, period, point blank. So that was really good. Also, these all came in boxes and stuff, but I put it in a Ziploc bag so it can fit in my suitcase. But let me open it. All right, so I got some arnica gel, because you know your stomach might be itching or whatever the case may be. I got some arnica gel for when my incisions close. If I have an itchy stomach or whatever, I'll be able to use this. I got that from Amazon. And I also got some arnica pills as well, because if my incisions are still open and my stomach feeling kind of funny, honey, I'm gonna take the arnica pills. I also got some Benadryl, just in case I need to be out like a light. Pop a Benadryl, or if I'm feeling my stomach is itching, I heard this works as well. I got these from Dollar Tree. These are gauzes, and I also got the tape from Dollar Tree as well. I also got, you know, if lips is chapped outside of surgery, I got a Vaseline lip moisturizer. I also got some Pedialyte. I know usually babies drink this, but I got some Pedialyte in case, you know, I need to feel more energy, get more electrolytes. So it comes in different flavors, and I got some of that. So I just poured in my water in my drink and drink it. I also got some Band-Aids from Dollar Tree just in case. And I got some alcohol pads and wipes in case I'm at a recovery house. So in case the nurse or anyone that's helping me need any products or anything like that, I just go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna edit this video, by the way. I'm just gonna throw it up there, or if I do, probably one or two things. So that's pretty much it with that. Okay, I had to get some more stuff. So I also got from Amazon some lipo foams. It comes with 3 sheets, so I know I'll need those once I have surgery in the morning. So I have lipo foams that goes in my faja. I got some ab boards and back boards. I'm also gonna make an Amazon account list and post most of these items on there, so it'll be easier for you guys to purchase. So I got an ab board as well as a backboard, so I'll use those when it's necessary. Also, I am also getting chin lipo, so I got some chin straps, and then I also got compression socks. I got 2 pair of these. I got these, I found them at like Ross, I believe, because I wore compression socks on the plane because I just wanted to get a jump start on not having any clots in my legs or anything like that. I just wanted my circulation to be going good. And my surgeon in my surgery bag also gave me compression socks, so I really didn't need them. So that's that. I also got a urinal in case, you know, this goes up, you take this off and this goes on top of it, and then you pee, because of course you don't want to be sitting on your butt unless you have to. Well, no, you can sit on your butt in Colombia. I don't think they care about that, but I'm gonna try not to sit on my butt when I can't, if I don't have to. So I'm gonna use this urinal. It goes in my faja, then I can pee in this bucket, have it poured out, just in case I don't know how I'm gonna react if I can't make it to the bathroom in time. I got the one that's like a jar or a bottle or whatever you call it. I also got this from Dollar Tree in case, you know, I don't want to do the most. I can just get clean real quick if my arm, because I'm also getting arm lipo and I don't know how I'm going to react to that. So I just want to have everything that's comfortable and at my knees. So I got that. And what else can I show you guys? Oh yes, I got this on Amazon. It's like a waistband, like a pocket. It prevent like pocket picking. So it comes with a zip, and I put all my money in here because I'm not from here. I will not be getting robbed. So I bought this little pouch from Dollar Tree. I got the bank envelopes, and I put them in here. I wrote recovery house, my doctor's name on each envelope, and their amount of money. And quick tip, get all of your money in $100 bills just so it can be flat as possible. So once I went through customs, once I went through TSA, I took my money out my purse. I went to the bathroom, took my money out my purse, put my waistband on. This was already in here in my purse. I put my waistband on. I wore joggers so my pants would be kind of baggy, and I put them in my joggers. And when I got here, relaxed, took a shower, I kept it on me. Like, I slept with it under my stomach. Like, No one's gonna be stealing my coins, period. So I did that. Yeah, so Amazon, I'm gonna try to link it, put the links below, and this pouch from Dollar Tree. I also got this water bottle because I heard to bring a water bottle. Water wasn't in it because you know you can't get through TSA with water in it. But I brought a water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the whole situation, throughout the whole stay. So I got a water bottle. I also found this at Ross. So it has all the days, the 1st through the 31st. So before I left home, I put most of my vitamins in here. And so I know, okay, keep track of what I took if I'm like kind of out of it. So that was good as well. I also got this water bottle again. If I use this little wash wipe thing, I got this bottle so that I can sorry if the camera's moving everywhere, like I'm really recording this on my phone. I left my camera, but you can put water in here and squirt under and get cleaned up. As far as clothes, I got this robe from Amazon. I got 3 tank tops. I've been had those, so I just bought 3 tank tops because it's good to put it, I think it's before your foams and boards, but I'll follow up and let you guys know the right way. You put it before your phones. So I got 3 tank tops, 3 dresses, because you're mostly gonna be in your faja and a robe. But I just bought 3 dresses. I probably won't even wear all of them because they wash your clothes here every day at the recovery house. And brought like 2 regular socks in case my feet is cold, some non-slip socks, towels and rags. I also got Hibiclens to clean my body with. Now my doctor gives like a special soap that he wants us to take a shower with before the night before surgery and the morning of surgery, but like a day or two before, no, a day before, I used this just to make sure my skin is extra clean. So Hibiclens, and then I also got my little face wash, of course. Gotta keep my skin clean and clear and under control. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm getting surgery in Colombia. I'm getting a BBL, lipo 360, arm lipo, and chin lipo in Colombia. I'll do my best to document this journey, keep you guys updated. Hopefully this video help you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next video.